Hmm. Tender, juicy chicken. This is chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. You can use chicken breasts. Let me show you how I made it. Hi, family and friends. Welcome back to the kitchen. Tonight we are going to do some baked chicken. It's going to be a quick and easy meal, but yet very tasty. So let's get started. I actually have some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We like chicken thighs because we like dark meat. I feel like it's more tender and juicy. So what we're going to do to get started is we're going to season it up on both sides first. So I'm going to do a little bit of pepper. Now I've got it skin side down because that way when we flip it over. Okay, a little bit of salt. And some garlic powder. Onion powder. Wrong side. I got some Slappy Mama. Goes good on everything, in my opinion. And some Old Bay. Now, this goes good on everything, too, for real. And each one gives a different flavor profile. Okay, so we got this side done. Okay, we're going to go ahead and flip them over and do the other side. You want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to repeat the seasonings. It doesn't matter what order you go in. Okay, now we got that seasoned up. We want to go ahead and take a 9x13 casserole dish. Go ahead and get it sprayed down and ready. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken breasts in there. Or not chicken breasts, I apologize. You can use chicken breasts. These are the chicken thighs. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken thighs in there. Okay, move this yucky thing out of the way real quick. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to make a topping to go on top of our chicken. So right here I have about half a cup of mayonnaise. You want about maybe 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, but I didn't have enough. I had this in my pantry. It's Italian herb and garlic. So I've never tried it. We're going to give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't ruin it. But I'm going to do probably about 1/4 of a cup of that. And I'll put that in there. And no, I don't know why I didn't just put it right in the bowl. Okay, to that, we are going to add a ranch packet. And we need shredded cheese, which I forgot. You're going to want about a cup. About a handful, like that. A little extra. Got to taste it. Make sure it's not poisonous. It's good. Okay, give that a good mix around. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then we're just going to place some on each one of our chicken thighs. And if you want, just keep adding that yummy goodness. I'm going to try to get all this out of here. And then just take the back of your spoon and spread it in there, all over the chicken everywhere. Okay, so you want it to look Just like that. It's just that simple. We're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. And while that is cooking, I'm going to be working on my sides. So I can't wait to show you everything when it's done. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you don't have to cover this up. Just put it in there uncovered, but 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so this was actually, I did 40 minutes on 400. But it looks done. I put my thermometer in there and it's reading at 170, and it continues to cook for a little bit once it's done. But it looks so good. It's got a nice crust on top. And I also made some baked potatoes. Made them in the microwave while it was cooking in the oven. And then I just did some steamable broccoli. But that wraps up this recipe. If you guys are enjoying the channel or the recipes, please give a like and subscribe. It helps it get out to more viewers. And if you guys like to try this or just say hello, give me a comment. That really makes my day. And we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.